All right, welcome back to the KA3DRR experience, my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I'm certainly grateful to be out here this morning getting ready for Parks to Radio Sport P2R, CQ Worldwide, DXCW. I'm super stoked, and now here we go. This is the station with all the different pieces that involved with making this happen today. So basically what we're going to start to do is I want access first to my coax, because we're going to go back out to the antenna. As you can see, what a beautiful site we have today for the shack. And it is a beautiful morning. I've been out here many times, and this ranks up in the top 10 beautiful mornings on the Carrizo Plain National Monument. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect our RG8X to the vertical dipole, and then I'm going to run this out, and this is going to tell me about where we're going to put our shelter. I don't know if I have to even have shelter today, but I will, because I'll just do that because it's good practice, and won't have to stake everything down. But as you can see, I'm rolling out 65 feet of RG8X. Recommended for this antenna system. And two, you want a 45-degree angle coming off of the antenna system. That's to prevent coupling of the coax, which wreaks havoc with your VSWR. We want the best VSWR resonance, so to speak, and the antenna is tuned for resonance down in the CW portions of the amateur bands. So here we go. We're coming out to about where we want to set up. I got some extra. I should just run this line all the way out, and I'll tell you, because I got to run a few feet through the entrance as well. So typically, it's about the exact same spot that we were at the last time. My first activation out here is, why change the wheel? So to speak. Okay, so now I've got that, and when you're a RF nomad like myself, setting up your ham radio station at different parks at different times of the year, different types of tents come in handy. And as you can see, I saw this reviewed by another ham radio operator on the POTA Facebook group, and I completely understood where he was coming from with this tent, and I haven't looked back. It is a great tent, especially out here, and I will be nice and toasty this afternoon inside this shelter. So we got that going. Put everything back in the bag except for the stakes. Set the bag aside. There we go. This is a fast, pops up generally pretty quick. And my issue is when I'm putting it back together again, or closing it up, that takes a little bit of extra effort, and that's just practice. But the whole idea is to grab one, pull, so we have that And then grab one here. And as you can see, you kind of have to fight it a little bit. I know I'm making this harder than what it's supposed to be. Okay, so we got that. And I got to put it all back because this is reversed. Damn. And so I've done something wrong right off the bat. Well, good for you to see, because I gotta get that. And this should not be looking like this. So, what is it? Of course, this is not what I anticipated, right? Wrestling with my tent. Wrestling 101. So that's the inside. There. All right, let me stop the tape here.